go up there and see it.
What's it doing?
It's mixing up mix.
How's it go?
It goes slow now. Damn it. Here comes the garbage truck.
That's right. What's the garbage truck do?
It gets garbage. I want to see the garbage truck.
We're gonna see it. What else do you see?
I see another truck.
Ah. Where are we going today?
School. Just school.
Just school.
Yes.
All right. What do you think we'll have at school?
Boo.
What?
Boo.
Bugs? What kind of bugs?
Ladybug.
And
Hail.
oh. All right. Say goodbye, Will.
Goodbye.